वेलकम ऑल अगेन ऑन टू एक्सेल ऑफिशियल क्लासेस। आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों। आज हम आपके लेके आए हैं इंग्लिश मीडियम में लेक्चर। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा वो है क्लास 10th मैथ्स का। टॉपिक है हमारा मेंस्ट्रुएशन। दिस इज द टॉपिक। So first of all, we have to see that what are the formulas used in the chapter of menstruation. तो नोट डाउन कर लेते हैं फॉर्मूले पहले। फर्स्ट, कर्व्ड सरफेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर। सेकेंड जो है हमारा total surface of the cylinder। थर्ड जो है हमारा वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर। तो इन तीन की बात करने वाले हैं हम। चलिए देख लेते हैं। पहले सिलेंडर क्या होता है वो देखिए। ये हो गया हमारा सिलेंडर। हिंदी में बात करें तो बेलन। हिंदी में अगर बात कर लें तो बेलन हो गया। ये इसकी हमारी त्रिज्या हो जाती है, यानी कि रेडियस। दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर h। वी डिनोट द हाइट फ्रॉम h एंड वी डिनोट द रेडियस बाय r। नाउ वी कम टू द पॉइंट फॉर द फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला। व्हाट इज द कर्व्ड सरफेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर? व्हाट इज द कर्व्ड सरफेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर? 2 pi r h। ये होता है कर्व सरफेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर एंड द टोटल सरफेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर 2 pi r h plus r। 2 pi r h plus r। एंड थर्ड जो हमारा आता है pi r square h। These are the formulas which we are going to use in the chapter 1 of the mensuration. Note down all the formulas please, and please subscribe the channel Excel Official Classes. And those who wants to join our Telegram channel, please search for Excel Coaching Classes. This is our Telegram channel. We will give all the links in the video from which you can join our all the channels. Now we come to the point. First of all, I will solve all the problems about the cylinder. Here we come upon the first question. फॉर्मूले को साइड में नोट कर लीजिए। CS से 2 pi r h, TS से 2 pi r h plus r and VS से VC में नोट करिए वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर pi r square h। Please note down all the formulas in your notes. Please subscribe the channel honestly. We are providing a free education to all our children. I hope you all will study with this channel freely. If you have any type of complaint about this channel or any video lecture, please contact on the number 9452916895. We will solve out all the problems and tell you about all the video lectures, how we are describing our video as more as possible to give you a best. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and note down the number 9452916895. Class 10th. Most important topics. Menstruation. देखिए, the area of the base, the area of the base of a cylinder, the area of the base of a cylinder, right circular cylinder, right circular cylinder is 154 centimeter square, is 154 centimeter square, and height is 10 centimeter. Find its volume. So note down कर लेते हैं. देखिए, the area of the base of a right circular cylinder is 154 centimeter square and height is 10 centimeter. Find its volume. We have to find out the volume of the cylinder. So use the formula. Volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h. But here the question did not given us the radius. We did not have the radius of the cylinder, that we have to find out. But in question, the area of the base of a right circular cylinder is given. Base is what? Circular cylinder. I am talking about the circular cylinder. Then area of a circular surface, note down, area of the circular cylinder is equals to pi r square. Area of the circular cylinder is equals to pi r square. Then we have the formula. Volume of the cylinder is equals to area of circle part into height. Area given है into height 10 centimeter is equals to 1540 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the right circular cylinder. Please note down this question. बेसिक क्वेश्चन. आ जाते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. Coming on the next question, we have to find out the whole surface of the area. Please subscribe the channel honestly and like all the videos. Find the whole surface area. Find the whole surface area. Find the whole surface area of a right circular cylinder. Of a right circular cylinder whose height is 3 centimeter. Whose height is 3 centimeter and diameter of its base and diameter of its base is 6 centimeter. Now second question, find the whole surface area. It means total surface area of a right circular cylinder, same cylinder, whose height is 3 centimeter and diameter of its base is 6 centimeter. Please note down the formula of whole surface area. Whole surface area is equals to 2 pi r h plus r. This is the formula of whole surface area. Now we note down what is the given in question. Now height h 3 centimeter, diameter d is equals to 6 centimeter. It means radius is equals to 3 centimeter. Now we have radius also. How much? 3 centimeter. Put in the formula all the values. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into 3 plus 3. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3 into 6. 6 3 is 18. 18 to the 36 into 22 upon 7. मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए इसको. 36 to the 72, 36 to the 72 plus 7, 7, 9, 2 upon 7. 7 on the 7, 7 on the 7, balance 2, 7 3 is 21, balance 1, 7 on the 7, 7 4 is. It becomes 113.14 centimeter cube. Then the whole surface of area is 113.4 centimeter cube. Otherwise you can write this also, 36 pi. If in a question that is given that please put your answer in the values of pi, then we don't have to solve the pi. Directly solve all the values and put your answer in the value of pi. Note down. Now coming on the next third question. This video is making only for English medium students. If Hindi medium students can understand this video, please watch. Otherwise, this video will be uploaded in next days in Hindi medium also. So please be patient and watch our video and subscribe our channel also. Now coming on the next question. The radius of base. The radius of base of a right circular cylinder is 3.5 centimeter. If its height is 8 centimeter, then find its volume. Now note down the values which are given in your questions. Firstly, we read the question. The radius of base of a right circular cylinder is 3.5 centimeter. R is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Coming on the next line, if its height is 8 centimeter, note down, height is 8 centimeter, then find the volume of a cylinder. Put your formula pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Now 22 upon 7 into 3.5 the whole square into 8. 22 upon 7 into 8 into 3.5 into 3.5 करते हैं. 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15 to 17, 3 5 is 15, 3 3 is 9 1 10, 5 7 5 12, 1 1 2 1. 12.25. 12.25. Now multiply 12.25 into 8. 8 5 is 40. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 20. 8 2 is 16. 16 to 18. 8 1 is 8. 1 9. It becomes 98 divided by 7. 7 into 7. 7 into 7. Balance are 2. 7 4 is 14 to the 28. 14 to the 28 plus 2. 248 centimeter cube. Note down the answer please. 248 centimeter cube. Fourteen to the 28, 14 to the 28 plus 308 centimeter cube. Note down the question. Coming on the next question. Fourth. As we going ahead, the questions will become difficult. So please don't worry. We will make the questions easier as more as possible. We will try to solve out in more easy tricks. The measure of curved surface area. The measure of curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1320 centimeter square and its side is 15 centimeter and its height is 15 centimeter. Find its volume. Note down the questions carefully and read the question. The measure of a curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1320 centimeter cube. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए। देखिए कर्व सरफेस एरिया 2 पाई आर एच, नोट डाउन कर लेते हैं। CSC is equals to 2 pi RH. In the question, CSC is given. How much? 1320 centimeter. 1320 is equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into R. Height is also given. How much? 15 centimeter. Then we multiply, cross multiply. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 1 22, 7 is 7 to 9 is equals to 15 2s are 30, 30 into 22 यानी कि 6 6 0। कितना आ गया? Now R is equals to 9240 upon 660. 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गया। Then R is equals to 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 0 3 8s are 24, 22 1s are 22 1s are 21 4s are. R is equals to 14 centimeter. Now we have find out the R, the value of radius of the right circular cylinder. Now again, volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h, 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 into 15. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. 22 into 28 into 15. 15 twos are 30, 15 twos are 30 plus 3, 33 into 28. Multiply कर देते हैं। 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24 plus 2, 26. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Now 4, 6 6 12, 6 to 8 plus 1 9. 9240 centimeter cube. This is the volume of a right circular cylinder. Now coming on the next question, question number 5. As I tell you before, as we going ahead, the questions will become difficult as more as than before. So please be patient. I will solve out all your problems in an easier way. Now, question number 6. The radius of a right circular cylinder. The radius of a right circular cylinder pole is 28 centimeter and height is 5.8 meter. Find the cost of polishing its curved surface, at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter per square meter. Now note down all the values which are given in our questions. Firstly, we read all the questions very carefully. The radius of a right circular cylinder pole is 28 centimeter. It means in the question the radius of the cylinder is given. How much? R is equals to 28 centimeter and height is equals to 5.8 meter into 100, then this becomes 580 centimeter. Now you will ask us, sir, why you change this into centimeter? Because the radius is given in centimeter, so we have to change the height in centimeter also. Now come to the topic. In the next line, find the cost of polishing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter. Question is talking about the curved surface of the cylinder. Then we have to note down curved surface area of the cylinder. Now CSA is equals to 2 pi RH. It means 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28 into 580. Now we have to solve out all the calculations in the questions given. Then we will find the CSA of the cylinder. 7 into 7, 7 4s are 28. Multiply all the upper digits. 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17 into 580. Now we multiply the 580 by 176. Then how much the result will come? Let's see. 6 0. 6 8s are 48. 6 5s are 30 plus 4, 34. 7 8s are 56. 7 5s are 35. 35 में 5 ऐड किया 40. 0 8 5. 0 8 0 2 5 4 9 1 10. Then the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder becomes 1,02,080 centimeter cube. This is our curved surface area. Now, what the question is asking from us? The curved surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter. It means, what is the investment in polishing the curved surface area of the cylinder? And note down, CSA is equals to 102080. Please notice the point, rupees 2 per square meter. It is not asking about centimeter. We will divide it by 100. First we multiply. It becomes 2 0, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 1s are 2. This is the answer in rupees. Now asking about the meter, rupees 2 per square meter. Then we should divide it by 10,000. Why? This is centimeter square upon 100 into 100. 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4. Then the cost of the polishing the curved surface area is rupees 20.41. Note down the answer please, and please subscribe our channel. चलिए आज के लिए इतना काफी है. आपके लिए 6 क्वेश्चन हमने करा दिए हैं. In the next lecture, I will solve this topic in Hindi medium, and by the evening, tomorrow evening, I will solve all the next questions in English medium also. So please subscribe our YouTube channel Excel Official Classes and share as more as possible. Thank you all the students.